Thanks for coming to Awesome Event instructional video for our Total Glitz bases. Our Total Glitz bases are a little bit inexpensive compared to a regular styrofoam base. The only things that you really need for this, and you can get them all on our website, would be a small styrofoam disc, a cardboard circle, a piece of foil circle, an insertion tool, and your 9x9 foil squares in 2 different colors. The easiest thing about doing this is that you just need a glue gun, basically, and some spray adhesive. Basically what you can do is take this white piece of cardboard or brown piece of cardboard, whatever side you want to use, it doesn't really matter. Spray a little adhesive on it, some spray glue adhesive on it, lightweight, do it outside, and wear latex gloves. I'm not going to do that in here right now because I'm in a room, but we do have one already done for you. Basically, you would put some adhesive on this, you would take this little thingy, the little square, circle, whatever it is, and put it over the top of this. Then the next thing you would do is you would squirt a little hot glue at the bottom of this and stick that down into the center just like that. Okay, after you have that all done, let it dry for a few minutes, and then what you can take is take one of the foil squares that you're going to be using, doesn't matter which color, and take the base, take it and wrap it around the base just like that. So your finished piece will end up looking something along this line. The next thing you're going to do after you do this is now you're just going to put all your foil right into the styrofoam disc, and that'll take you a few minutes. All you got to do, and I think you may have seen this in some of our other videos, is you basically just catty corner the 2 pieces of foil, take our insertion tool, put it right into the center, open it, put it in there like that. If you want, you can put a little hot glue on the tip of it, or if you have a glue gun or a pot Devon, you can pretty much dip it in there, stick it into the side, and then pull it out. Pull the stick out, leave your foils in there. And a glue gun with a low temperature setting is advised because then it won't melt the pieces that you're putting into the bases. So once you have that all done, you can fluff it all up, and your finished base piece will look just like this. Okay, what it is that there's room now up on top that you can basically add your own items to it. Right now we're adding a 2018 cutout. We'll put a little hot glue on the tip of this just to keep it from spinning around in the centerpiece. And you put the 2018 in there, and then there's a little room for your sprays. You can take the sprays and curl them. Oops. Take the sprays and curl them with a piece of scissor, like a piece of curling ribbon. You can cut them a little bit shorter based on the theme that you want to do and how tall you want them. And then just stick them right into the styrofoam base in the back. And you can put one more piece in there, just like that. Spread them around the way you want, fill it up, and there you go. You've got a nice simple 2018 New Year's Eve centerpiece for any event coming up as far as New Year's Eve or a graduation party. So please check us out on the web at www.awesomeevent.com. Check out our videos and contact us if there's any questions. We have all the supplies and kits on our website for purchase. Thanks for coming and have a great day.